So right now, this is what the saltfish fritters look like. I'm not sure if the camera doing it justice right now because the phone are overheat. This is what them look like right now. You can see all of the ingredients in it. The scallion, the onion and so forth. So sad that I never have the tomato. So I'm gonna make them cool now. I make JJ go through, JJ sample one of them and tell you how it tastes. Oh.
It's bad, man.
Talk loud.
It's bad, man.
You can taste the saltfish in it. Yeah, it tastes the ketchup. Or it just tastes like tomato.
No, just no. Ketchup, it just tastes like tomato.
Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Welcome to my channel. Today I will be preparing Jamaican saltfish. Seasoning. We have scallion and thyme, we have pepper, we have onion, we have saltfish, we have oil, we have tomato, we have ketchup. Come with me, we are going to gather some fire sticks to make the fire start.
Right. Winston, look for the dry one then. Alright, give me my shade for your chop yourself. So that's why I said the fire? That's why I said fire? If me follow you to blows and screw this a fire, I never lie. Come pass the fire stick them, let me show you. Pass the ingredients. You see me how me I set them? So you have to set them. Set them, let me see. Alright, set them, let me see. Boy, I know I make video, I don't know what to do. More. Pass a big one. Bring them come. Break them off and bring them come. Yeah, all I see them small one. Break them and bring them come. Look at people. Weird. Put it in there on.
Yeah.
So the phone one face into that? Yeah, shake it up on me. The objective now is to put the fire out. But now no more plastic around, so now get no more light and survival, you know. Primitive lifestyle settings. Just make it out again. Right. Now come. Watch the seasoning. Well, you season them and throw out the water now. Well, you season them with your hand and throw out the water. Oh.
Right now, we are going to get seasoning.
Do the rest now? Put the rest of the skin in. Remember, don't make the knife come with your finger there. Look. So far, you have cut them good enough. But you have cut them too big. So now you cut yourself. Then you cut a portion of them like this. You get a base or your container. And you slide them off the knife. See? Simple as that. You want to put your finger on it. You're afraid of losing on your finger. You want to call your 9 toes over? And you have the finger on it. Did I catch it good? Nice and well sharp. Yeah, right. It's good. Have onion like this, huh? Small onion. So let me do. That's fine.
Then we'll put the other side.
So you see them when you do it first side.
The small cut and they hold it together and cut
And you hold it back together.
Yeah.
And cut it as fine as they can. Then get be an even slices. Or be an even pieces. See? This now.
Cutting pepper.
One more than 2 pieces of scotch. Yeah, put it up.
You just scrape and then you scrape it off. And then
This now we have the thyme. Remain now. That's all our remain. Now the paste. So now the basin, you can see. We have a skillet and thyme. Skillet and thyme, our pepper, our onion. Yeah. That is it. We'll go ahead and get the saltfish on the fire. to go and boil because we want to get off some of the salt off, right? And that is it. Yeah, we'll come down with the phone going on. Alright? Right now, I get the saltfish in the pot, I don't know why I get off some of the salt. Also, I'm going to wash it out in the water because this has enough salt. You can see the big chunk of salt in this. You still hold the phone up in the ear, JJ. I say hold the phone sideways. This is sideways. So, yeah. If you go hold the phone so the video is going to turn up in the ear. Move some of them bone up like all of it. As you can see, the saltfish have on the scale for it see away. See them here? So I go just only wash off some of the salt off in the river water, and then I go add it in the water to boil. Just a boil it to get off some of the salt. See there? Nice and clean and pretty. You can see the salt boil on. So you get water get white. Yeah man, that is it. Bring the big fork on. So right now I'm going to make it stay for about 5 minutes. And then we'll take it off. We'll take it off. Right now. Boil fast. Right now we're taking back on the saltfish pot. Turn it one more time. Ready? Right now, you get all the saltfish off of the fire. Feel that? It blows nice too. Now go ahead and take off the scale. Get all the scale off, right? See? This is the scale. Now on that side. Only boil it just to get off some of the excessive salt. Yeah, see properly? Yeah, see properly? Okay. But the saltfish is supposed to clean like this. You see? You get off the scale them all time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it up fine and take out some of the bone them out time. I want a piece here for me. Take out that piece first. Much bone in that piece. So cut it in some smaller chunks, biteable sizes. I don't know. And how much we are make. That is it. Go ahead and now and add it into the same natural seasoning we put up earlier. That is it. Here so now I have the saltfish with the scallion, the tomato, hear me? The scallion, the pepper, the onion and thyme, right? We couldn't get no tomato, so
Use ketchup.
instead I'm going to try to use ketchup, right? I'm not going to use a lot of the ketchup because I don't know if the ketchup is going to make the saltfish have a different taste. And the original way was to use the tomato. But this is tomato ketchup, so I'm going to try to use 1 cup of it. About that of it, just to try to get the tomato taste. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in the water, which I'm going to use to make the mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the water first, just because I don't want the flour to stick to the season them. I want it to mix right out. So here's how I have a look at retail flour, you know, corner flour. I think we can pull this. I'm going to try. Yeah, let's see if we can pull it. I'm going to have to clear the bottom. You know, I add flour, I go and mix. Just to get it to mix up. See if I can come out of this and get a bit of size of what I'm going. Showing just enough nice. Anything to add in back, add a little bit more water to the mixture. Ketchup really give it a different look. You go mix it until you see it mix right out, smooth enough. You don't see no lump of no flour or anything, like no dry flour. That's why you see me mix it while me add. You mix the water with the season while me add the flour. See? So I'm going to add a little bit more flour because I want it to thicken a little bit more. Hey. Alright, so it looks like one paste now. You see? It's not too thin and it's not too thick. We just mix it to get the whole like mix out properly. You can see a JJ chop up the man. My seasoning bigger than so. Alright. So this is what it looks like after you mix it out properly. See, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. You can see the saltfish them in it and the natural seasoning. That is it. So I'm going to get the pot on the fire again once more, and then we're going to add in with big gill oil. Right away we are getting with big gill oil. Right away we get the first three in the pot, but the pot is too hot, so we have to take it off. I don't want them to burn. Right. Get them on back on the fire. Yeah, make sure so they don't stick to the box. Make sure so they don't stick to the pot. Fire get too bad for me. Have to get them to move. See if you want to go and watch her go on. As soon as they're ready, I'm going to make JJ sample the first one and make them see what I want. Make them know what I want to eat. Like, we can't continue a video because the phone and lock off because I overheat. This is what they look like. So I want to just give them the first turn. Yeah, and to say it a come on good. Lord God. How me see why people stop use wood fire or stick fire stuff. But to murder me eyeball. One thing with that pot here, it stick things easily. Right. Well, I want to close this. So right now this is what the saltfish fritters look like. I'm not sure if the camera doing it justice right now because the phone are overheat. This is what them look like right now. You can see all of the ingredients in it. The scallion, the onion and so forth. Just so that I never have the tomato. So I'm gonna make them cool now. I make JJ go through JJ sample one of them and tell you how it tastes. Oh.
It's bad man.
Talk loud.
This bad man.
You can taste the saltfish in it. Yeah, it tastes the ketchup. Or it just tastes like tomato.
No, just ketchup. Just like tomato.
You say it bad? Hold it up, let me see. Turn it around. You can see all I seasoning them in it, no? That is it. I'm going to fry some. That is it. So we out here without fear. We are going to fry some saltfish fritters by the riverside and enjoy ourselves. Right, Jay? That is it. You're not saying nothing, just feed your face. I know, man. Right now, we done match them out. So we're going